in the sequence, which means chorus, we do the whole thing.
Yeah.
What you did on the last one is you go already in the ending.
We did
So,
the last...
it's like this. Chorus, except last line. We worship you, hallelujah, hallelujah. We worship you for who you are, for who you are. We worship you, hallelujah, hallelujah. We worship you for who you are. And then again, chorus, with the drums and vocals, first two lines. And then we enter, so drums and vocals, we worship you, hallelujah, hallelujah. We worship you for who you are. And then everybody comes in, third line, we worship you, hallelujah, hallelujah. We worship you for who you are. That's the second one. Now we go and repeat again chorus, right? We did not do this. So, repeat the whole thing again, third time. We worship you. Because you went to the ending, that's why I got confused.
No, we
do
the line 3 and 4.
No.
Only half of the chorus.
No.
The half of the chorus.
The third chorus is only line 3 and 4. And then we go straight to ending.
Yes.
And why did I hear another note?
Yeah. We sing the 2 sets of 2 chorus and the 1, 3 and 4. But we are so confused at the ending. We don't know how to go here.
Okay, is that clear? First chorus, okay, after the verse, right? You have 2 verses, right?
Yeah.
After the last verse, chorus except last line. So we repeat the chorus, right?
Yes.
So we do the entire thing only with the drums.
The second chorus, right?
No, you said the first 2 lines is drums and vocals, and then we all enter again on the line 3 and 4, and then repeat again the line 3 and 4, is it?
There's no repeat.
There's no repeat?
Yes. No repeat.
No repeat.
Yes. Yeah, no repeats.
Then you don't have to type the chorus again. That's confusing. If you say chorus again, we go back to the beginning.
Yeah.
So if you say chorus, that's it, the whole thing. And then chorus, can you put a parenthesis, drums and vocals, first 2 lines, and then another parenthesis, lines 3 and 4. Because this chorus here makes me confused. It means we fit again the chorus.
Okay, to clarify it, okay?
Okay.
So after the verse, we do the chorus, and then except the last line, we go back to chorus, okay? When we go back to chorus, the first 2 lines is drums and vocals, okay? And then chorus 3 and 4 is everybody. The last 3 lines is everybody, and then we go straight to ending.
Okay, erase the chorus on the last line. It says lines 3 and 4 na lang.
Yeah.
Just put lines 3 and 4.
So meaning the chorus is only twice, not thrice.
Yes.
Yeah, to make it short, the chorus is only twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we
Now, the ending. For who you are.
For who you are. For you are good. Hindi pa. For who you are ulit.
I'm not singing the last line in the chorus. I'm singing the ending only. For who you are. For who you are. And then this one, you are good. You are good. You are good. What about the NCNC? No need?
No need. You are good. Yes, you are.
Ano na to eh? Ad-lib to eh.
That's ad-lib.
We just go
That's
straight to
the
the end.
ad-lib. Yeah. So me.
We worship you for who you are. And then go to ending. For who you are. For who you are.
So dalawang beses.
You are good. You are good. No need to do the NCNC.
Yeah, yes.
We just go. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the last 3 lines is actually
For the
we're
instrumentalist.
not doing it. Okay.
Okay.
We will just end that good, you are good.
You